Feeling under the weather? Your kitchen's got your back. First up, ginger. This spicy root can help soothe your throat and kick that cough to the curb. Next time. No, not the clock kind. This herb is a natural expectorant, helping you cough up yucky stuff. Third, turmeric. Packed with antioxidants, it's like a superfood superhero. Add it to warm milk for a golden remedy. Fourth, peppermint. Fresh and minty, it's great for clearing up sinuses and easing headaches. Plus, it makes tea taste awesome. Last but not least, basil. This herb isn't just for pizza. It's great for fighting infections and boosting your immune system. So next time you're feeling crummy, check out your spice rack before hitting the pharmacy. Stay healthy and happy, folks.